Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today will be slightly different video than usual, and that is because during the time I was away on holiday for past 2 weeks, my channel has reached 1,000 subscribers, and that's beyond everything I expected, really. It's just so exciting, and I want to say big thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel, who watches my videos and likes my videos, comments under them. Quite a few of you have actually reached out on social media to me, so that was really nice to meet you and get to know you a little bit better. And yes, as a way to say thank you, I want to do a giveaway. So in this video I will share some information about this, but actual giveaway will be happening in the next video where I will be making an actual jewelry piece that I want to give away. It will be sterling silver, but I won't tell you what the design is just yet. You are gonna have to watch the video. Also, because I was away on holiday, I thought I would just share with you a few clips from my trip to Poland. So keep watching and I hope you will enjoy it. Again, thank you so much for being here, for supporting me and this channel, and I really hope that it will grow even bigger and it will be helpful to more and more people out there. Thanks so much again. Bye!